Hi Allison, this is Watson at Mercedes. I just wanted to do a little quick walk around on one of these gray GLCs. So I have a couple that are pretty much the same. They just came out of loaner service, so this is, you know, equipped. You've got your graphite gray, AMG black, natural grain oak wood, surround view system, 20-inch wheels, the big wheels, heated steering wheels we talked about, digital instrument cluster. This has premium package and AMG line. So once you have the AMG line, you're going to get the nice wheels and you're going to get the diamond grille up front. So that's what sets that apart from the regular package. Neither of them has the blackout package, so it does have the chrome window sills, but it's still very, very nice. So interior wise, black. There's your gray oak trim. Heated steering wheel, which I've got engaged on, and man, it feels so good right now as the weather is chilling down. So there's a look around the inside. Now, this is a panoramic roof car. So this is nice for someone that never opens the roof or wants the extra headroom. I also have another gray one. This is the other one. I'll walk up here, and it has one less option in it. It also is a non-roof vehicle. I sent you the breakdown, the sticker price on that one too. So as you're looking around, there are some, you know, basic blacks. Here's a black with the diamond grille if you want to just do black on black, but I think you're right, this graphite gray is just really gorgeous. So anyways, I'll follow up with a phone call. My name's Watson, Mercedes. Love to have you down. Now the 2023 models are being redesigned, so I'm not going to be taking any orders for about 3 months. So you're probably looking at about 5 to 6 months before we see this new model come out. Again, Watson, 207-510-2284. Thank you.